bundles in the cart, you feel me? I'm thinking I'm finna be cute. And I go to check out, and what do I see? I am used to free shipping from Amazon Prime. What the fuck is this? Quick disclaimer, the hair, the closure, and the lace tint, like all the products I talked about in this video, they were bought with my own money, and this is just my personal opinion. Like, I've been watching all of these women on Instagram and following Ericaj on YouTube for a minute, and I just wanted to support, you know, black-owned businesses, you feel me? I'm doing an initial review slash unboxing on some hair that I got from Kendrasboutique and a closure that I got from Hair by Erickaj. Let me fix my bonnet, girl, because these braids been ready since I ordered on the 26th. It is August 3rd and I'm just not getting my hair. It said on the website it should take 5 to 7 days. However, I believe it was a problem with the postal service, because on the tracking number that they gave me, it told me I was supposed to receive it on the 1st, but I didn't, due to whatever issues they had going on. Alright, when you open the Kendrasboutique package, whatever, you get a pamphlet on hair care, the ultimate hair care guide for barbs, and then her bundle deals. I got the 4 bundle deal, which starts at $3.90. If you order over the inches 22, you're paying extra. I think it was $10 extra for the 24-inch bundles, and I got 2 of them, so my total came to $4.10. Then plus my shipping was $4.22. You're gonna get a satin bag with your goodies in it. It says Kendrasboutique on this side, and on this side it says I am Hair Barb. I don't know if I want to use that for my thumbnail, so. But yeah, I've been a Hair Barb. So a couple years ago, I had her hair. I had her straight hair before, and I had her body wave straight hair. I loved it. I still love it. Like, it's great hair. However, I fucked up the weft, so when I made a hot glue gun, bad decision. Especially when I was new to the wig game. Horrible decision. Good hair and hot glue don't go together. Alright, so this is the hair, like, right now. I originally had a lace frontal. It started, you know, balding, like, as it should. It's 2 years old. So I had cut a bang into it or whatever. You know, I don't know. Like, you have to finesse with this wig, because it's like, if you look, like, I cut the weft so short and so crazy. It's like a fucking puzzle. Like, it would really take some geometry to take this shit apart and then put it back together. This is the last time I wore the hair, and then this is the first time. And I ordered it back in 2018 in June. But yeah, and I also had her body wave hair, but I was not pleased with that, like, at all. Like, my boyfriend had more patience for that hair than me, and I might just insert the video. Alright, so I got the hair and I made a hand sewed wig out of it. It was fine for like a month. Then when I went to wash it, it matted like crazy, and it was so dry, and I just wasn't understanding why. Like, my boyfriend ended up getting it straightened, but I wasn't about to fight with some hair that I spent so much money on. Like, that shit's ridiculous. Like, the hair matted. I got 4 bundles because I got a closure and not a frontal, and you know, we want that full look, honey. This hair mad soft, and the luster is gorgeous. Let me shake the bundles like they do on Instagram. I ain't feeling the beards, to be honest. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh yeah, y'all see that shit, because I see it, and I'm blind. This one ain't that bad. This one ain't that bad either. Alright, but those were the beards. The ends are looking great, if you ask me. No split ends, baby. Somebody conditions. These is the 22. The 22s are in this hand, and the 24s are in this hand. Like, there's a lot of hair, no cap. If y'all hear that, that's my dog. You can stop anytime now. Juju! You wanna say what's up? Say hey, Juju. This is my Shih Tzu. She's Juju, your birthday's coming up. Her birthday's August the 15th. She's gonna be 6. She's such a big girl. Aww. Happy almost birthday, Juju. Do you know what you want? Juju! Alright, so here's a little length check. These are the 22 bundles, and we're good. And then these are the 24 bundles. We good. And my favorite parts is the smell. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Now this smells fabulous. It smells like they washed it for me. Thank y'all. Appreciate it. Use a real one. Alright. Now to get into this hair by Erickaj. No. Come in the regular shits. I got a 4x4 transparent lace closure in the inch 20. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna pluck that, of course, but I got me some lace tint from Tailored Crowns on Instagram. Alright, Ericka, she gave us a little card. Payow. Telling us to go to her website and to her YouTube. And here is a little gift. Thank you, sis. Okay. Oh. Now this just smells like regular hair. Like, it don't smell great like how Kendra's did. It just smells like hair. Like, you know. The pricing on my closure was $100. The shipping was $11. However, I had a coupon code Ericaj, and that took $10 off and bringing my total to $101. I ordered on the 26th. It was processed and shipped on the 27th, and then I got my baby on the 30th. Yep. So that was pretty quick, and I really appreciate it. No cap. So this is a length check. 20 inches. We are good. Height. I ain't had no hair in like almost 2 years. My daughter's 9 months, and I'm pregnant now. So this was my last hoorah before I'm out the game buying myself gifts for a while. So yeah, mama wanted to feel like a baddie for the one time because it's been a minute. But yeah, so this is everything that I got. And I mean, I'm gonna construct a wig with that sewing machine. If you want to see how I do it, you're gonna have to subscribe and hit that bell so you can know when I upload that video. If you want to know what I look like with some makeup on, you're gonna have to subscribe, because bonnet shawty isn't all you get. I can get cute. Okay, click that button. Do me a solid. Click that button. Double tap. Notification bell too while you're at it. Did you give me a thumbs up? Did you leave a comment? What's up? Thanks, y'all. Thanks.